Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss the important 70 current affairs of last 3 months which is very useful for your upcoming exams. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Where was the fourth No Money for Terror conference held? Correct answer is option B, Munich. Who has recently taken charge as the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mayank Sharma. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option A, Jayashree Venkatesan. Next question. Who won the ICC Player of the Month award for February 2025 in the men's category? Correct answer is option C, Shubman Gill. Which team topped the medal table at the Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indian Army. Who won the Best Actor award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Karthik Aryan. Which movie won the Best Film award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option D, Lapata Ladies. Where was Global Investors Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Bhopal. Who has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 2024-25? Correct answer is option A, Vidarbha. Which among the following national park declared as the 58th Tiger Reserve of India? Correct answer is option B, Madhav National Park, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Who won the Women's Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai Indians. Who won the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Who was sworn in as the President of Uruguay in March 2025? Correct answer is option B, Yamundo Orsi. Where was the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Paris. Who has been appointed as the 11th chairperson of SEBI? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who has been named the ambassador for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shikhar Dhawan. Which 6 languages will be added to the translation services in the Lok Sabha as announced by Speaker? Correct answer is option A, Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Manipuri, Sanskrit and Urdu. Next question. Where was 38th National Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer is option A, Meghalaya. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, 96th. What is the new name of Dhyanchand Lifetime Achievement Award? Correct answer is option C, Arjun Lifetime Award. Who won the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year Award in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Which country announced its withdrawal from the World Health Organization in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Argentina. Where was the 13th edition of the India-Maldives Joint Military Exercise Equivalent held? Correct answer is option B, Maldives. Who was sworn in as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option A, Kash Patel. What is the new name of Fort William? Correct answer is option D, Vijay Durg. Who took oath as the Chief Minister of New Delhi in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Who has not been awarded the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award for the year 2024? Correct answer is option D, Jasprit Bumrah. 2024 के लिए मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न अवार्ड किन 4 प्लेयर्स को दिया गया है, इसका आंसर आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू चेयरमैन ऑफ इसरो? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, वी नारायणन. वेयर वॉज महाकुंभ मेला हेल्ड इन 2025? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्रयागराज. Who has been named in Time Magazine's Women of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. Retired Justice Shri Jagdish Singh Khear received the Padma Vibhushan for contributions in which field? Correct answer is option B, Public Affairs. Who won the Memory League World Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vishwa Rajakumar. Which rocket was used for ISRO's 100th launch? Correct answer is option B, GSLV F-15. Which airport became the first in India to win the Sarvashreshth Suraksha Puruskar Golden Trophy at the NSCI Safety Awards 2024? Correct answer is option D, Manohar International Airport. Where was India's first open air art wall museum inaugurated? Correct answer is option A, Mausam Bhavan, New Delhi. Which country will host first regional social justice dialogue in 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Who became the world's youngest chess champion? Correct answer is option B, Gukesh Dommaraju. How many sections are there in Income Tax Bill 2025? Correct answer is option B, 536. Which term has replaced assessment year and previous year in the Income Tax Bill 2025? Correct answer is option A, tax year. Who won the Asian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Pankaj Advani. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th. Who has been appointed as the global ambassador for Levi's denim brand? Correct answer is option C, Diljit Dosanjh. What is the new name of Zomato after its corporate rebranding? Correct answer is option B, Eternal. Where was the historical Uma Maheshwar idol discovered in Karnataka? Correct answer is option C, Udupi. Who topped the medals tally in 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Services. What is India's rank in the QS World Future Skill Index 2025? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, 25th. ओवरऑल रैंकिंग जो है इंडिया की QS वर्ल्ड फ्यूचर स्किल इंडेक्स 2025 में वो है 25th. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर विल इंडियाज फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यूनिवर्सिटी बी एस्टेब्लिश्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, महाराष्ट्र. Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option A, Dibrugarh. Who won the main singles title at the Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option A, Jannik Sinner. Who won the CEO of the Year award at the Forbes India Leadership Awards 2025? Correct answer is option D, Rajesh Jejurikar. Which aerospace startup launched India's first electric vertical takeoff and landing air taxi prototype? Correct answer is option B, Sarla Aviation. Where will India's first white tiger breeding center be established? Correct answer is option A, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer is option A, Meghalaya. The world's first Mahamrityunjay Yantra has been installed in which city? Correct answer is option C, Prayagraj. Who was the chief guest of India's 76th Republic Day Parade 2025? Correct answer is option B, Prabowo Subianto. Where did India's first wildlife biobank open? Correct answer is option A, Darjeeling Zoo. Who became the fastest batter to reach 14,000 ODI runs? Correct answer is option B, Virat Kohli. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is option D, Sanjay Malhotra. Where was 25th edition of IFA Awards 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Jaipur. Who won the Player of the Series at the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, रचिन रविंद्र. ये न्यूजीलैंड के प्लेयर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द 51st चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, जस्टिस संजीव खन्ना. Who won the Best Director Award at the 25th IFA Awards 2025? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, किरण राव. किरण राव को लापता लेडीज़ के लिए बेस्ट डायरेक्टर अवार्ड दिया गया है आईफा अवार्ड्स 2025 में. हु हैज़ बीन इलेक्टेड एज ग्रीस न्यू प्रेसिडेंट? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, कॉन्स्टेंटाइन टेसोल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who was appointed as Canada's new Liberal Party leader and Prime Minister in March 2025? Correct answer is option D, Mark Carney. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi chair the 7th National Board for Wildlife meeting in March 2025? Correct answer is option B, सासन जूनागढ़, जो कि गुजरात में है. So remember this. Who inaugurated the second edition of विविधता का अमृत महोत्सव at राष्ट्रपति भवन on March 5th, 2025? Correct answer is option C, President Draupadi Murmu. Who was appointed as the CEO of the government e-marketplace? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Bhadu. Ajay Bhadu recently appointed as the CEO of the government e-marketplace. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who has been appointed as the new election commissioner of India? Question number second is, who has been named the ambassador for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? And the question number third is, who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? So friends, share your answer in the comment box. I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do share and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.